ชียงใหม่ตึ๊บเป็นไทยแลนด์
been really sitting on this project for about a month now. It's been this way for most of the videos I posted about Thailand. I have a problem with just letting things go and working on these projects that I have created and just putting them out in the world. I don't really ever talk on camera because I stutter a lot or have these weird confident issues that I normally don't ever have. Just being out in the world, obviously taking photos and making videos, much more comfortable behind the lens. So with that said, I'm gonna try to become better at that and actually push myself to being more in front of the camera. So if you've watched these videos, I appreciate it very much, and it's been hard for me to be confident in front of the camera and actually do this part. I've been sitting on this project for months and postponing it and posting when I get it just right, even though they're not that action-packed, or if they're just more of a slower films that I've make. I'm not very good at the whole editing and making them fast-paced and fun and interesting to watch, but if you've watched these, I appreciate it very much. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch these, and hopefully I can bring some more to you. Thank you.